making strawberry parfait pie with a guest, my mom. These are the ingredients you need: hot water, strawberries, Jello, strawberry ice cream.
First thing we're gonna do is dissolve the ice cream in the hot water. You can lick the spoon. Pour in the water.
Now pour in the water. Jello. Now put it in the fridge to set. Next, roll the dough to 12 inches. Bake pie crust. Next, put the strawberries on the crust.
Okay, and then we're gonna put.
Now put the wet stuff in. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. Thank you. Ice cream. Delicious. Please like and subscribe. Join us next week for Angel Food Cake in a Box. Shout out to Great Aunt Sue. Happy birthday.